Welcome to Greece from Home, hosted from my home in Athens. My name is Argiro Barbarigou, and today we are going to cook together. Are you ready? So, I choose for you to make a moussaka. You say it moussaka, but the name is moussaka. It's delicious, it's very tasty, and it has 3 steps. One step is the meat sauce, the second step is the white cream sauce, like bechamel, because I do a different sauce from all the other moussaka you know. And then I'm going to make the vegetables. 3 steps for a fantastic moussaka recipe. So we start with the meat sauce. In Greece we cook always with olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. First of all, saute about 8 minutes the minced meat until it changes the color. When the color is changed, we add the onion, the garlic. Usually I add 2 garlic cloves, but now I add 3 because it's fresh garlic, it is not so strong. Saute for about 3 minutes. We are almost ready for the next step. And now it's time for the tomato paste from Santorini. Saute for 1 minute. And now it's time for the Greek metaxa. This is not a bolognese, this is a Greek meat sauce. And this sauce must have some cinnamon, a piece of cinnamon stick, and a bay leaf. We leave the herbs about 10 minutes and then we take it out. Diced tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes. And now lower the heat. Put a lid on and leave it there for about 25 minutes. No water, no added liquids at all. It will be cooked with the juice of the tomatoes. We need the thick meat sauce. Don't forget, we make a moussaka. We need the thick sauce. Look, those beauties. So we cut the eggplant here. We need slices 1/2 centimeter thick. It's about 1/4 inch. We need the zucchinis too. The same thickness, about 1/4 inch. You can fry the eggplants in olive oil or you can bake the eggplants. I choose the second one. I bake them with a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of sea salt. It's better, it's lighter and it's healthier. Some sea salt from the islands. And some extra virgin olive oil. Toss them well. And now we need a pan and a wax paper and we lay them down. And it's ready for the oven. Let's do the zucchinis too. The same here. Some extra virgin olive oil. Toss them well. We have another smaller pan with wax paper and we lay in a layer. You can fry them if you want, but it's a little bit heavier and the vegetables absorbs a lot of olive oil. So it's better on this way. Cover. I cover them because I don't want them to dry. I want them just to become soft. The same here. 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes until it becomes soft. Not dry, not brown. For a real homemade moussaka, we need some potatoes too. Actually, we need a layer of potatoes, a layer of zucchini, a layer of eggplant. This is a little bit fried. It's fried for about 10 minutes in very low fire. That's why they don't have any color, but they are very soft. You see? And here I have those beauties, the zucchini flowers, which is amazing and very tasty. We used to cook them in Greece with many different recipes. Today we are going to make a layer in our moussaka, and will be a fantastic moussaka from the Aegean Islands. I come from the Aegean Islands. I come from Paros, a small island between Mykonos and Santorini. We leave it here for the moment. I don't cook them. I just lay them on the moussaka in the middle. We need a thick sauce, you see? Oh, hints of cinnamon, of bay leaf, of metaxa. It's a Greek meat sauce. Amazing. Good, very good. Stop. It's ready. After 10 minutes of boiling, I took off the bay leaf and the cinnamon stick. So now it's time for the white sauce. It's not exactly a bechamel. Usually we make a thick bechamel for moussaka or for pasticcio. I make a different sauce. It's more light, it's gluten-free, it's not so heavy, and it's gobbly. It's shaken in the pan, and it's fantastic. So I need some cornstarch. I need some grated cheese. In Greece we use kefalotiri, but in all over the world you can use some pecorino cheese. 2 fresh eggs, 2 knobs of butter, and of course milk. And this is my secret. Some nutmeg. This is the hint of the sauce. It's fantastic. This is a different bechamel. I have no heat so far. It's 1.5 liters of fresh milk, 6 tablespoons heaped of cornstarch, nutmeg, and knobs of butter. Before I turn on the heat, I stir very well. It's a light cream. It's a fantastic cream. And now I turn on the heat and stir from time to time until it becomes thick and bubbling. It's fantastic. It's beautiful, it's shining and ready. Now it's time for the eggs. Very quickly. It smells perfect. Perfect. The nutmeg and butter. Amazing. And it's time for the cheese. A good shake. Stir well. Perfect. Try this sauce. It's fantastic. It's my recipe for bechamel. It's a Greek way. It's Paros way. It's my mother's way. Okay, good. So, we are ready to start the layers. But first of all, I want to tell you something about the flowers, the zucchini flowers. You have to take out the, I don't know the word, the yellow thing in here, okay? We take it off because it's bitter. Now it's ready. It's ready for cooking. The first layer is potatoes. It's better to use a non-stick pan. 1 layer of potatoes, fried, boiled or baked. So you see, it's like fried, but it's soft, it's thick enough. It's like fried, but it is baked with a little bit of olive oil. It's time for the zucchini flowers. Cut it in half and put them in a layer. Open them and put them in a layer. It's amazing. It gives perfect taste. And now the eggplants. You see how soft it is? Soft, with a little bit of olive oil, not fried. They didn't absorb any oil, just a little bit. We make a layer. Press them down. And a small one here. I need some cheese. I need some sauce, some bechamel in the meat. That's the amazing trick I do, and everybody dies for this moussaka. Stir well. You see, my meat sauce is thick. You see? It's so good. So let's go. A layer of the meat sauce, the Greek meat sauce with cinnamon and bay leaf. Oops. Make it one layer. Ecci, ecci. Cover all the holes. Another one layer of eggplant. This is a Sunday meal. This is a family Sunday meal. Cook like a Greek. Make this moussaka. It's amazing recipe. And more light than the usual one. Zucchini. Zucchini or zucchini? I'm so sorry for my English. I hope you understand me. But you can find the recipe in the link below the video with all the measurements. The rest of the cheese. So now, cheesy bechamel. Bechamel. My cheesy roubly bechamel. Make a nice layer. Greek moussaka, amazing taste. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. 180 degrees Celsius or 360 to 370 Fahrenheit for about, look how it is. Roubly, amazing. For about 40 to 45 minutes until we have a nice golden crust. The last 10 minutes I sprinkle with a little bit of cheese. It's ready. It's ready. Amazing smell. Amazing. Oh. Yup. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Ah. You can hear it. You have to let it rest for about 15 minutes and then you can cut it. But I'm gonna cut it now for you. I can't wait. The first piece is mine, and I challenge you. You have to make it. It's fantastic. Look how soft it is. Soft, airy, gorgeous. Oop. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so light and delicious. I challenge you to cook it. The best Greek moussaka, only for you. And now we are going to try my moussaka. Smell it before you eat it. You have to cook it. It's amazing. Thank you for joining Greece from Home today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. We are going through difficult times and it's nice to feel close while we have to remain apart. Stay safe, stay home and stay tuned until the next Greece from Home. Visit our link.